Hey guys, welcome back to FastFix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you about the Moment 3 update on Windows 11. Yes, Moment 3 update officially released in Windows 11 on May. It has an optional update for Windows 11. So for those who don't know on the main release or the stable release of Windows 11, there are two updates monthly. One of them being the patch or the monthly update, and the other one being the release or the feature update. And now we are going to show you on how you can update your Windows 11 with these momentary features. So you can go right here on Windows Update and try to check your updates. But before that, you need to make sure that you toggle this on. So get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Be among the first to get the latest non-security updates, fixes, and improvements as they roll out. So just toggle it on and then click this check for updates right here. And also you can check your update history right here if you have already this momentary feature on your computer. So you can check all the update history right here if you have that momentary release update. But if you haven't that one, so you can update your computer right away. And one of the improvements right here on this new feature on Windows 11 is in these live captions right here. So there's a lot of features that add up in this application right here. Same with the voice access up. Basically, it adds support for multiple languages and also redesigns some of the aspects and the help page of the voice access app with that momentary update. And also adds a VPN status icon in small shield to the system tray. It displays when you are connected to a recognized VPN profile. And basically, you'll have a little icon added to your icon when you are connected to a recognized VPN. And one of the added features right here, if you go on taskbar settings and you want to scroll down and find the taskbar behavior right here. If you click this one and scroll down, you will find show seconds in system tray clock uses more power. If you toggle on, you'll find the seconds on your system tray clock, and this is what the best features on this momentary Windows 11. And also one of the new features on the task manager, if you go right here, is the live kernel memory dump. So for example, if you go on details and you want to type right here the system at the search box and you want to go and right click the system, you'll find that create live kernel memory dump file, full live kernel memory dump, kernel stocks memory dump, change memory dump settings. If you click this one, you'll find the task manager settings, and it will help actually particularly on the developers and help you to improve these task managers and your computer right away. And also the additional features that add up in this momentary Windows 11 update is when you go right here on settings and try to go here on time and language and try to find typing, and here if you go on touch keyboard at the top of this option, when you click this one, you will find here show the touch keyboard. You have three options: never, when no keyboard attached, or always. So this is the new one, when no keyboard attached. These settings is a new features on this Windows 11. Now these updates also enables content adapted brightness control to run on laptops into in-one devices. Because I'm in a computer here, I don't have an option, but basically you'll be able to get it inside settings, system, display, and brightness control, and you'll have three options in drop down of always and battery only, and you'll have an adaptive brightness related to the content that you're currently watching. And also we get the new USB for hubs and devices settings page, of course, if your computer supports that inside settings, Bluetooth and devices, USB and USB for hubs and devices inside the settings app. You will also get the new presence sensing option, of course, only if your computer supports that. And you have a devices as compatible person sensors. You can now choose the apps that can have that access. Those sensors, the search within settings is also improved. And also if you go right here on accessibility and try to find right here the keyboard right away, if you click this one, and then here you'll find use the print screen key to open snipping tool, so you can toggle it on. But if you want a default setting, you can toggle off using this accessibility tool. And also, if you go right here on multitasking, you will find show tabs from apps when snapping. You'll find here three most recent tabs, but you can now use 20 most recent tabs right here. So it will basically affects the number of tabs that appear when you use All Plus tab. Then here on accounts, as you can see here, it will provide you the full amount of storage capacity for all your Microsoft OneDrive subscription, and it also displays the total storage on accounts page in the settings app. So yes, you have so many update features here on Momentary on your Windows 11. So let's get update to our Windows 11 right away so you can find these new features and you can use it to improve your task on your computer. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.